Oh, yuck. Oh my goodness. Wow. Are you like blowing up over there? Oh my goodness. Wow. You are so crazy. Can you do your clicking song? Ow. I've got a little biter over here. Cross, do your clicking. Oh yeah, you have food in your mouth. Oh, playing in our food. That's a no-no. We don't play in our food. No, we do not. How can I say no to that little face? Oh my goodness. What a little handful. Cross, Mommy loves you. What day is today? June 15th, 2010. You're 10 and a half months old. That's amazing. Who would have ever thought? Uh-oh, potty time.